People, they can be so unkind. If they're not happy, if they can't speak their mind, but unwind the needle, just a flame. One more line, one more. People, they got something to say. They can't be carried or be carried away. But it takes bricks and mortar to speak your mind. So keep putting them down. Put 'em. That bird had a song to sing, something to say. Is it silly or has it flown away? Oh, this morning it had something to say. Is it silly or has it flown away? Well, it remind me of a time when my memories fade. My thoughts ain't sure unless they're late. But if I can't remember, well, I feel it again. All I need is a piece of paper and but you can take a photograph, or you can just be there. Or do you need to remember, or can you just be there? If I care, my promise will still be there. If I remember, or will I feel it again? Something to say. Is it silly or has it gone away? Oh, this morning it had something to say. Is it silly or has it flown away? Sometimes I question and I wonder why I just can't say. Anger can take your mind till it's carried away, but it's just not fair. It don't make no sense, but I wrote it down. I wrote it